Hello, my name is Kurt Aho. Today I'm here to showcase REL Inc.'s new automated process data collection solution, Locktime. Locktime was designed to be used while wearing full operational PPE and to replace egg timers and written paper logs. I am standing here in front of the Locktime system. The system includes two handheld barcode scanners, one 65-inch process monitor, one panel mount 13-inch iPad, one control panel, custom barcodes, and a complete set of interconnecting wiring. Locktime controlled processes include fluorescent penetrant inspection, aluminum anodizing, cold acid etching, and part plating. Locktime uses user-defined icons with a handheld barcode scanner for a robust control system interface. All data is logged in the SQL Locktime database to be able to be recalled by operators, process owners, and auditors. Here's how it works. Part recipes can be selected on the system UI using the Locktime scanner to check parts in and out of every process step with audio and visual guidance. A production report for an operator, part, batch, or traveler number can be produced either on-site or by using the Integral System remote access. Multiple parts with multiple recipes all can be running on the same system at the same time. Locktime allows all process stakeholders to be confident that parts are being processed correctly and in accordance to their respective techniques. Locktime can be your database of process data across your plant. Call us at REL to get started on implementation today.